Hello and welcome to Goa 365's News Bulletin with me, Ramona. Rape accused Babush Montserrat says he knows who has framed him in the rape case and he would soon expose them. The Santa Cruz MLA was released on conditional bail on Wednesday after 13 days. The victim girl's mother and Rosie auntie were also bailed out.
It was a jubilation for his supporters, an opportunity for Babush to speak out after he was released on Wednesday morning.
I have full faith in the judiciary system of our country, and I know that I will come clean. For I have done no wrong. I have been framed, and I know who are the ones who have framed. But to expose them, I will expose them later. I don't think this is the right time to basically expose them. I would like to thank my family, my lawyers, my friends, my well-wishers, and my supporters who have stood by me during this difficult time. I also would like to tell them that I have never betrayed them, nor will I ever betray their trust.
Babush, you think this has made you politically stronger?
Let us not read this into any political, whether you get an advantage, disadvantage. We are not into that. I am here to, this is just a bail what I have got. I am yet to clear my name.
Babush is released against a surety of 1 lakh rupees by Children's Court. He has to report to the police station for a period of 7 days in the morning. Babush cannot leave the country for 2 months. His passport is also impounded.
The Children's Court today has enlarged Mr. Babush Montserrat and 2 other women who were arrested by the crime branch in a false case of rape, trafficking and other sections. He has been ordered to be enlarged on bail on furnishing a personal bond of 1 lakh rupees, the surety of a lakh amount, to report at the crime branch for a period of 7 days between 10 to 12 noon, that he should not leave the state of Goa without prior permission report for a period of 2 months. So these are the conditions and not to other normal conditions which have been imposed. We are very happy with this order because this is an order which was expected in considering the nature of the case. A false case was registered for political reasons, and we are content today that the court has appreciated our arguments and actually enlarged him on bail.
So any major conditions?
There is no major conditions. The only major condition is that he should report at the crime branch for 7 days. Passport, he has been directed if he has his passport to deposit the passport.
The victim's mother and Rosie Ferrao also got bail against a surety of 25,000 rupees each. Advocate Damodar Dhond had argued for them.
म्हजे 2 एक्यूज आशिल्ले की विक्टीम गर्लाची आवय आशिल्ली आनी ती रोजी आनी रोजी आंटी म्हणून तांकां दोगांकूय बेलार सोडल्या 25,000 शुअरिटीचेर आनी तांकां कंडिशन घाल्या की तांकां रिपोर्टिंग करूंक जाय फाल्यांच्यान नेक्स्ट डे ऑफ रिलीज 7 दिसांक 3 वरांचेर सांजचे ते 5 वरांचेर आनी कंडिशन्स आसा की तांच्यांनी कोणा कडेन इंटरफियर जावंक जायना, रिटर्न करूंक जायना विटनसीसांक आनी इन्वेस्टिगेशनाक कॉपरेट करूंक जाय आनी ते चलये कडेन मेत्यार जावंक जायना खंयच आनी तांच्यांनी गोंय सोडूंक जायना 3 म्हयने आनी पासपोर्ट आसल्यार सरेंडर करूंक जाय म्हणून आनी हे जर खंयचे टर्म्स एंड कंडिशन्स घाले ते वायलेट केले जाल्यार आय होप इन्वेस्टिगेटींग ऑफिसराक पावर दिला की एप्लिकेशन करून बेल कॅन्सल करपाक.
From the court, Babush himself drove down to Mahalakshmi Temple and Miramar Cross to seek blessings. He was followed by hundreds of his supporters. CCP Mayor Surendra Furtado also welcomed the court decision.
All welcome the decision of the court to release our leader, Mr. Babush Montserrat. We always had faith in the judiciary. Law always takes its own course, and it has been proved today, and it will be proved in future too.
Our reporter Rishikesh Kadam with video journalist Basuraj from Panji.